Here's how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. Normally, enabling professional mode is simple. Open the Facebook app, then tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal dots. You should normally see an option that allows you to turn on professional mode. If that option isn't appearing, there are a few things you can check. First, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the drop-down arrow beside your profile name and make sure you're currently using your main Facebook profile. Professional mode cannot be enabled on Facebook pages through this process. You need to be signed in to the personal Facebook profile you originally created. After confirming that you're on your main profile, tap the 3-dot menu again and check whether the professional mode option is now available. You should also make sure that your Facebook profile isn't locked. Look through your profile settings for the option to lock your profile. If your profile is currently locked, this may prevent you from using professional mode. Make sure the profile lock feature is turned off, then check your profile again to see whether the professional mode option appears. If you've tried these methods and the option is still missing, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General. Then here, tap iPhone Storage. Find Facebook in the list of installed applications and select it. Choose Offload App, then confirm by tapping Offload. This temporarily removes the Facebook application while keeping its data on your device. Once the app has been offloaded, select the option to reinstall it. This will install the latest available version of Facebook. Since professional mode is a relatively recent feature, using an outdated version of the app could be one reason why the option isn't appearing. Wait for the reinstallation to finish. Then return to your home screen and open Facebook again. Go back to your profile and check whether the professional mode option is now available. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.